Graphic tablets are used for a variety of creative, educational, and professional tasks, including digital drawing, photo editing, animation, 3D modeling, and graphic design. They can also be used for practical functions like taking handwritten notes, making digital signatures, and offering a natural and precise alternative to a mouse for tasks that require fine detail and control, especially in apps like Photoshop. Today, I'm unboxing the Wacom CTL-672/K0/CX red and black graphic tablet. The price of this model sits between 5,000 to 6,500 rupees. Check the first link in the description box for the latest price and offers. It's a medium-sized tablet with dimensions of 8.5 inches by 5.3 inches. It's very light in weight too, just around 250 grams. I have been using this for many days and I'll continue using it for some more time so I can update you on the positives and negatives in the full review video. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. Inside the box, we get the graphic tablet itself. It looks slim and feels almost like a mini notebook. Next, below that, we have a Type A to micro USB cable for connecting this to the system. It's sad to see that they still haven't updated this to Type C, but the length of the wire is good. Next, we have extra tip for the pen, which is nice to see. Depending on your usage hours, these tips last differently for each person. Then we have the booklet that explains how to connect this and some other information. And finally, the pen. There is no charging needed for this pen, it just works. Like a mouse, this also comes with two buttons and you can customize them in the Wacom Center application. I'll make a dedicated video about that in the future. Coming to the system requirements, for Windows you need at least Windows 7 or later, and for the Mac it requires OS X 10.10 or later. The pressure sensitivity level of the pen tip is 2048. There is no multi-touch feature on this model. There are also no physical buttons anywhere on the tablet. On the back, there are grips at each corner for better stability while using it. There is also a pen holder on the side. Overall, my first impressions are positive and I'm genuinely excited to use this in my daily workflow and see how well it performs. I'll use it every day and I'll update you in the full review video. Check the product link and also the full review video link in the description box. If the review video is already uploaded, the link will be added there. Subscribe if you haven't already. See you again in the next video.